Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. You got me down here in the garage and it's 96 degrees outside here in balmy North Georgia. So today, got an unboxing of sorts. We have gotten rid of all of our trees out on our creek. They were old river willow trees that were just going all over the place, and I let them get away. And they make a mess. I mean, just tons of little small leaves going everywhere, and little sticks and twigs and bark and crap, and it makes a mess, and they grow like wildfire. But we got tired of having to clean the mess up, so we had a tree company come in and wipe them out, and y'all can see it right here. So one of the things we do like, 2 years ago, we ordered 2 trees from fastgrowingtrees.com, and they're hybrid poplar trees. And I have done several videos on them because they have grown just amazingly and they look really good. So we thought we'd get one more for here and then one for our new property. And we had a discount coupon and all that stuff. We're not sponsored by them. We ought to be, but we're not. But I want to show you what comes in the box and everything. So the FedEx driver dropped this off a little while ago. It's hang on a minute, let me grab a tape measure. My tape measure's out in the truck, so I'll have to do this. So we got 7'1", 85. 85 by 9 by 9. Okay, so it's 7'1" long, 9 inches wide, 9 inches tall. This is what you get from FedEx. And it says open immediately. So what the heck, we're gonna open it up. Let me bring you right over here. All right, so it comes with straps on it there. Get those out of the way. Do they have it this side up? Yeah, this side up, right here. Before I cut myself. Okay, so in the box, got tips and planting directions and all that stuff, and there'll be links to all this in the description if you want a tree. And if you're a nursery, now one of the things about it, these grow in our area, but the nurseries don't have them. So, got an invoice. Right there, it doesn't say much. And what we got, get it there without breaking it. So we got a little, I'll close my screen up. There we go. So it comes in a little, I guess that's a 1 gallon pot. Piece of cardboard and soil in it. It's a good looking little tree. It looks healthy. Let me slide you back a little bit and I'll show you. So it comes like this, wrapped up in plastic. Set it down. It is in the pot. Was that 5.5 feet tall? I'm 6'2", so it's 5.5 feet tall. Leaves look good. All the branches look good. Let me get the other one out. Now be careful getting these out of the box. Don't want to just rip them out. There we go. And they look like twins. So this one has a bigger leaf on it. So what we found on the ones in the back, which there are videos on all the ones in the back, you can find them up here. This is a hybrid tree, so they've probably got different parents, different species, different genus, whatever you want to call. Because one on the back is really tall with a small leaf. The one on the other side is bigger around, shorter with a bigger leaf. And I think that's what we got here. And somebody told me, there was a horticulture guy told me that they could be up to 30 different, I guess, parents, what you would say. But yeah, you can tell the leaf's almost as big as my hand here on this one, and really, you know, half size here. So anyway, our next video, Tanya and I are going to go out there, and on the creek, we're going to plant one of these. And then one night this week, we'll take one down to our property. We've got a place where we want to put it, make it our own. So anyway, if you got any questions about fast growing trees, I'm not an expert on them, but we bought several trees. Good luck at them. I hope we have good luck out of these. Leave me a question, leave me a comment. If you know anything about hybrid poplar trees, let me know. But that'll be it for tonight. If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. I can't remember if it's over here or over there. It's over there, I think. But anyway, I hope everybody's had a great weekend, and I hope you have a good week this week. I just pray that you do. But anyway, like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching. Trees, trees, trees.